The event has been fantastic so far. It's great to learn about new products and how we can innovate and develop our product adoption. And it's fantastic to be amongst other AMOS professionals and learning how they use the product and learning some best practices and standards that we can put into place.
I'm very excited to hear about the paperless product that they're bringing to the maintenance side of the house. In our organization, we are looking to be paperless sometime next year, and we're going with electronic signature also and electronic record keeping. So the products today being previewed, I am very much interested in them.
The information is great. Not only I can see once we're fully implemented how we can maximize all the capabilities of the three systems, but I can see the potential roadmap on where are they moving with future developments, and that can help us a lot in planning and just use all the system in a way that can help us in our everyday operations.
I work with AMOS every day, every time I'm at job. I really like it. It's a good tool, to be honest. But here I think that I learn more about the different environments that AMOS has, like a company.
It's really nice to engage with our customers in live, to hear about the problems they're facing on day-to-day business and discuss their challenges and find solutions. This industry is very complex, it is very paper-based, and we're just at the start of transforming it in a digital way.
I'd recommend this event to any managers within the AMOS community that are looking to improve their productivity or efficiencies using the tools and functionality to their highest adoption levels. What we're learning is that we have things implemented, but not to the full functionality. So only aspects of it are giving us the product improvements. So it's helping us develop our roadmap.